I'm replacing the other driver's side. It's a part number there. Driver's side exterior windowsill for an F87 or F22 BMW. And just give it a try. You don't actually have to take the door card off. You lift that bit up there. Press down on it and pull it towards you, it'll pop off. And you can unpeel it all the way along. This one will bend a little bit, getting it. It's only held in the door, so it's not going. Lift it up, pull it out. And just got it. Just on this end there, that's how much of it's held in the door, so it's starting to go rusty there. And it's got rust there as well, which I'm getting. It's all gone bubbly. But that's the only bit that's held in there, just on that last bit. I'm going to put a little bit of lube on the new one and just push it in. And then use a rubber mallet to seat it. Just put a little dab of silicone grease on the end there, so it slips in the seal. And just slide it in, and then gently tap it with the rubber mallet. In there. Alright. Inside it over. Great. Let me give it a light tap on the end. This side. There. Line up like that. And that's it, I'll just push it in there. Yeah. So it slides in the time just by pushing it down. And there you go. Alright. Send it all the way along. Perfect on there. Sorted. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.